Hello everyone. So if you saw my video about 2 weeks ago or something like that about this headphone, and this made this weird noise, so I mentioned that it's not really easy to work anything out with Banggood, but this time it was easy, and they sent a replacement, another one. But there is one problem with this new one. It doesn't even turn on. So if I'm trying to turn it on, nothing happened. Like this little light should be came up here. In the older one, you can see that little blue light, and now it's trying to pair. And even when I'm trying to charge it, I hope I choose the right cable, but yeah, this is the one. It doesn't even make any little light there again, and I'm just showing you if I'm turning this other one off, and I'm starting to charge it. It has that little light there that is charging. But this new one, it doesn't do anything. Yes, you can probably see there is no light there, and I think I might know the problem or the reason because of it. Just look at this. It doesn't supposed to look like that. The same part from the first one looks like that. I try to put the two next to each other. So this part is like, it's like really thick. It's like something is just pushing itself outside from it, or it's really remind me when the battery goes wrong and it's just start to, I don't know what it's called. Okay, it's not that part, this is that part. So this is the older one, what make the weird noise. This is the new one, what doesn't even do anything. I'm trying to show it a little more because I'm gonna send the video to Banggood, because out of the two I haven't received any what would work. I mean, what would work the way how it's usable. So yeah, and I was surprised that it's already here because it was such a short time, but the quality is really I mean, I cannot even talk about quality because it's just straight out not working out of the box. I mean, I just picked it up 20 minutes ago from my workplace because I'm on holiday, but it's almost in the neighbor, so I just walked over. But that's not the point. Like, again, I'm trying to turn it on, it do nothing. When I'm trying to charge it, it does nothing again. And just to show the first one, with the weird noise, that's what it should do when it's charging. So I guess now probably it's safe to say that this is a neckband or headband or whatever earphone, however you call it, what you should avoid. Like, it's just just a piece of crap for the second attempt too. So again, here is this big wide split and this big thick something instead of the other one, what doesn't have this little extra bump on it. So thanks for watching this video. God bless.